Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz and I will be taking you around my house and doing some cleaning. I am going to start with my kitchen. I usually always start with my kitchen just because I feel like it's the messiest and the most daunting only because there's always dishes in the sink and we're just there all the time. I feel like we spend most of our day there cooking 3 meals a day, cooking for my 11-month-old. So I just always have to have my kitchen clean before I cook any meal. So let's get started. I don't know about you guys, but I like washing dishes by hand. I think it's because growing up, me and my sisters just used to always wash dishes because we didn't have a dishwasher in our house. So I don't mind it. It kind of makes me feel relaxed sometimes only because of the hot water, and I know that my sink is going to be clean. I love cleaning my sink, but I do not like cleaning pans. I don't know what it is, but I think it's because I always turn around and the stove top is full of pans. I should be better at that. But anyway, let me know what you do like doing and what you don't like doing when you're cleaning your kitchen. So this is the last pan that I have to wash, and I did look behind me on my stovetop to make sure it was the last one. I will be cleaning the sink next. I usually use this stuff, Comet. I just like the way this cleans. I don't really like using spray for my sink. Since it's a porcelain sink, I do like using Ajax or Comet. I feel like it just cleans it the best. And I am also using this brush that I found at TJ Maxx, and I love using it. It's really, really handy and it gets the job done. So now that I am done scrubbing my life away at the sink, I know that I am completely finished washing the dishes. This is the satisfying part for me when I'm just rinsing the sink with hot water. And after this, I'm gonna just wipe down the counters and go on to the next thing. Okay, so here I am just putting away our lunch. I made some pasta with sausage and bell peppers. I will probably have this tomorrow for lunch. Me, myself, that way I don't have to cook anything for me. And then we are headed here at our super messy table. I know I am not the only one who does this, or maybe I am. We literally dump everything on here. Our house is pretty small, so we dump everything on here, and it's crazy because we try to keep it clean, but for some reason we just keep piling stuff up here, and it usually happens when we go to the store and come back. We just put everything there. That way we sort it out later, which we should sort it out that same night. But you know, having a baby, everything changes. All your mental plans change. So I mean, I'm just doing it the next day, so it's not too bad. So I am finally starting to clear out the table and it's starting to look much better. Don't look at my laundry room in the back because that is also a disaster. My whole house is a disaster, okay? Let's just be clear with that. But it's okay. We always get it cleaned. It's fine. Once we get this table done, I feel like the whole room just brightens up and it gets so much better to just walk around and I don't feel that anxiety of always having something on the table. So yeah, let's keep going. And yes, also I am cleaning in my matching set pajamas. I love cleaning in pajamas. It's just comfortable and obviously I have my slippers on. Hopefully you'll see me in my next video with something cuter. But anyway, we're almost done. Also, I wanted to show you guys this super cute faux plant I found at TJ Maxx. I thought it was perfect for my little table. I think it brightens up the room a little bit too. So here I am just spraying the table down with a mixture of vinegar and water, and then I am wiping it down with a microfiber cloth. I usually just use this around like surfaces, not exactly like my actual kitchen tile and all of that, but I like using this just because baby's always on there and everything, and I don't want all those harsh chemicals to get like on his hands. And actually, he is here. He woke up from his nap, so now I'm just gonna strap him to my hip and work with him. He is super clingy at the moment, which I don't mind. I love holding my baby. So he likes watching me clean, which is so funny. But yeah, let's keep going. Now we are back on the kitchen counters. I did not clean this after the sink. I usually do that, but I'm not sure why I skipped that. I am using the vinegar again, only because I am carrying my son and I don't want him smelling the Clorox fumes. I usually do use like a Clorox spray just to super disinfect everything. I did use a little bit of Dawn soap on the sponge too, so that'll help clean up the mess a little bit easier. And like I mentioned, my son does not mind watching me clean. He is so chill right now, and I think it's mostly because he's being held, but I don't mind him. He's my little cleaning buddy. So we are almost done. I am now just wiping down the countertop and drying it up with the microfiber towel. These are great. I love these towels because it really dries everything up and it picks up all the messes really good. So I highly suggest using one of these when cleaning. finally done cleaning the countertops in the kitchen. The kitchen is done. Going back to the dining area, and it looks so much cleaner, so much better. I love that little faux plant in there. It just brings the room all together. I do have some stuff that I need to put into the pantry that were on top of the table. That's for another video because that's a disaster in there and I do not want to show you right now. So yeah, everything's good to go. I do have some little decor pieces that I'm not sure what to do with yet. Those jars are actually from the Magnolia collection at Target. I got them on sale, but I'm not sure where I want those yet. They might be for the bathroom makeover. This is just a little bit of decor that I have. I am planning on updating that to like Valentine's Day stuff. My crock pot, I think I was actually cooking some beans in there because it only takes like an hour and a half instead of 2 or 3 hours on the stovetop. This is more of my little decor. R is for our last name. I found this plant at Target for $5. That's an amazing steal because I feel like these run kind of pricey and I don't know why, they're just fake. Anyway, so here's the sink. Everything looks good. My little dishwasher there, it's super tiny but it does work. And then my fridge, I do need to wipe it down. And my stove, that's a whole nother thing right there. Can you tell we cook a lot? So I hope I gave you some motivation to clean your own home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!